a condominium property na katapat lang mismo ng South Luzon Expressway and also 5 minutes away from the famous Enchanted Kingdom of Santa Rosa, Laguna. Welcome to SMDC Calm Residences. We are here in the location of Calm Residences, and as you can see, ongoing construction na siya ngayon. And this condominium property is our fastest selling condominium here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Bakit nga ba? Imagine, katapat mo lang ang South Luzon Expressway, katapat mo lang din yung community mall, you're just 3 minutes away from a hospital, and 5 minutes away from the famous leisure area dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, ang Enchanted Kingdom. And now we will be having another tour of the one-bedroom condo unit here. And also, we will be giving you an update kung ano na nga ba ang nangyayari sa construction nitong Calm Residences. Sa mga clients natin na nakapag-invest simula pa ng umpisa, good news dahil ongoing na ang construction nitong Calm Residences. And this one is for turnover na starting 2026. So this is the whole vicinity map of Calm Residences. As you can see, hindi siya yung kagayang typical na high-rise condominium building. So dito we have a total of 17 buildings. So kada building merong 45 units sa isang floor. We have 4 floors. So a total of 180 units kada building. And even though hindi siya yung typical na high-rise na building na kahit magkakatabi yung buildings nitong Calm Residences, this one is a nature-centered community. So kung mapapansin nyo, in between the buildings, meron tayong tinatawag na linear parks which is full of trees and greeneries pa din. So this is the grand entrance. So itong location ng entrance na to mismo is almost katapat na nung papunta sa expressway. And from here, nandito yung main lobby natin which is, yung lobby natin is parang hotel type. And behind the first 3 buildings nitong Calm Residences, dito naman yung mga amenities natin which serves all types of ages, mapabata man hanggang sa matanda dahil kumpleto ito from kids up to elders na pwedeng magstay dito dahil meron tong kids zone, pool, may pavilion, and wellness area. To specify these amenities, we have lab swimming pool, kiddie pool, central park, linear parks, grand gateway, covered basketball court, court pavilion, wellness garden, serenity garden, the kids zone, shaded garden, resort lounges, and the parking spaces. What I will be showing you right now is the one-bedroom condo unit here in Calm Residences. So this one is 24.41 square meters. Tara, pasok tayo. And from here, so syempre may pinto yan dito, no? So this one is a laminated door. And kung ano yung makikita natin dito is for inspiration only. So kung meron ka ng unit dito sa Calm Residences, malamang-lamang may makikita ka na pwede mong ilagay dito sa condo unit mo. To start with, so we have the kitchen here. So countertop natin, provided na yan, concrete countertop, and meron na rin tong mga cabinets below. On this side naman is our bathroom. So meron na ditong provision for the washing machine naman. So, syempre, dito ka na rin maglalaba. So, yung lavatory naman natin is located here. The toilet here on this side. And our shower here. So, maluwag naman siya, no, for a one-bedroom condo unit. Coming from the kitchen and our bathroom is going to our living area. So, approximately this is 3 meters by 3 meters. So, pwedeng-pwede siya for living area. Lagay ka ng TV dito or even dining table on this side. And pwede ka rin maglagay ng mga cabinets on this side. So again, this one is for inspiration. Mali natin meron tayong mailagay sa condo unit mo dito, no? And from the living room naman, we have the bedroom on this side, where makikita natin na meron na rin talagang separation from the living area going to this bedroom. Dito naman sa bedroom on this side, so pwede ka na rin maglagay ng cabinet. And on this side, pwedeng vanity area, or you can make this one, or you can create this one as your mini office din. And going to this side is pwede kang maglagay ng queen size bed. So perfect ito for couples din. And even yung single na pwedeng tumira din dito kasi maluwag na talaga siya. And meron din, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong malawak na window over here na pwede nating tignan yung labas. Again, maganda pa rin yung magiging view mo dito kasi linear parks yung makikita mo sa labas. And that's it for the bedroom of this one-bedroom condo unit. And to add na rin, meron na ring provision ng window type na air conditioning unit. Now, let's talk about the price. Yung one-bedroom unit dito sa Calm Residences ranges from 3.2 million up to 3.6 million. And kung natatandaan mo yung tinatawag na VAT-exempt threshold, where kapag ang residential property ay lumampas na ng 3.6 million, ito ay papatawan na ng value-added tax or VAT na tinatawag. So, imagine kapag umabot ng 3.6 million, yung unit mo dito sa Calm Residences, almost 430,000 on taxes din yung madadagdag. So, pwedeng-pwede mo na siya pang bili ng appliances, ng furnitures, or even pang renovate ng iyong unit. So, meron pa naman tayong mga natitira na non-VAT pa, pero limited na lang dahil initially talaga ay sold out na dito sa Calm Residences. So, if you're ready to own a condominium unit here in Calm Residences, you may send us a message at InvestGen Realty. Meron kaming Facebook at Instagram account. Meron din kami dito sa YouTube, of course. And for more real estate tips and property listings, you may hit that notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos namin. And once again, my name is Amor Almoguera and I'm Mr. Own That Property. See you on our next video.